Hi, I will say a few words about medical astrology. Means when Ishan was applying for medicine, so I had to learn about medical astrology for a doctor or a student who is interested to study medicine. Which kind of horoscope do they have? So today I will discuss only few points, and some other day I will discuss few more points. In medical astrology, we know that what is the natural, uh, which is the natural house of medicine. That is the sixth house. Sixth house is the natural house of medicine. Eighth house is natural house of dealing with accidental things and like emergency. Okay, like trauma surgeon, such people have very strong eighth house, and every doctor should have a strong sixth house. But every doctor cannot have at same horoscope. So what are the important things which should have in medicine practitioner or medicine uh, studying students horoscope? First thing is natural house of medicine is Virgo, the sixth house, that is the Virgo. So I have seen many doctors who are having Virgo ascendant. Number one point. I have seen many doctors who are having Virgo ascendant. Okay, this is number one. Number two is about Jupiter and Venus. We know that if a person is not having good Jupiter and good Venus, is not possible. That person cannot be a good doctor. But every doctor definitely is not a good doctor, whatever it is. So the next thing is about Jupiter. I have seen the kids who are having sixth Lord as Jupiter or sixth Lord as Venus sitting somewhere else, or sixth Jupiter or sixth Venus. Venus is sitting in the sixth house, Venus is sitting in Jupiter is sitting in the sixth house, or sixth Lord, or sixth Lord is Jupiter or Venus. That also I have seen. I have seen doctors with Jupiter in Jupiter in 10th house, Jupiter in 6th or 10th house, because 6th and 10th is the job, and 6th house is the service like medicine. Okay, so 6th Jupiter or 10th Jupiter, 6th Venus or 10th Venus. So first thing, ascendant. So many of the doctors are having ascendant Virgo, then 6th Jupiter or 10th Jupiter, 6th Venus or 10th Venus. Now some of them are having Venus exalted, Jupiter exalted, Venus Swakhetri, Jupiter Swakhetri. So the Jupiter and Venus should be strong, and Mercury, like the dentist or the orthopedics, they are having, so many of them are having Jupiter in 6th house along with Saturn, Jupiter in Venus in 6th house along with Saturn. Most of them are not having Venus, most of them are having Jupiter in 6th house with Saturn. Many I have seen that Saturn and Jupiter is in a very good position, like Saturn plus Jupiter in 9th. So they are doing higher studies in medicine, some field of biology. Which particular kind of field of biology? That is having Saturn, means that is dental or orthopedics is Saturn. Another student or the doctor who is a surgeon should have a very good Mars. It can be Jupiter plus Mars, Jupiter plus Mars in 6th, Jupiter plus Mars in 10th. So person will be surgeon. It can be Mars plus Saturn, surgery of teeth Mars plus Saturn, surgery of bones, Mars plus Saturn in 6th. So these are some combination of a doctor or a would-be doctor, means medical students. So bye for today. I will discuss some other things which are present in a doctor's horoscope next time.